What's up, everybody? So today we are going to be taking a look at the Meggison update and what they have going on. This is the first part of Meggison. This is actually the western side of Meggison, just south of Brownwood, so south of Highway 44, uh, right across Highway 44 from Brownwood, actually. And this is, like I said, the western side. So Lake Okahumpka is on the other side. You're going to get to take a look at that also. This area actually goes out to close to 301. I believe it's going to connect to 301 when they're done. You can see the turnpike there in the background there, and then south of the turnpike, that's western DeLuna as well. So this area is being built out currently. If you don't know, Meggison connects Brownwood all the way down, parallels the turnpike, goes over Warm Springs into Hawkins, and then into St. Catherine, and then is going to go also into Newell and those places, which are the easternmost, where 470 crosses the turnpike way out there. So I'll be doing updates of Meggison this whole week and kind of showing you what they have planned. They're talking about getting ready to start the Richmond Pitch and Putt, which is going to be south of that lake right there, Lake Okahumpka. And so with them getting ready to start that, I assume they're going to start the rec center pretty quickly as well. The rec center, they're talking about being able to rent, or I don't know if it's going to be rent or sign out, I guess, kayaks and canoes, things like that, so you can actually go out on the lake. I've talked about this in previous videos, but I believe they'll be cleaning up that lake quite a bit, and at least putting some time into the village's side to get it looking good, because it's pretty mucked up, and it's right now I'm pretty sure it's a big swamp. So now you're looking toward Brownwood here, and this is looking north across 44. This is actually the Meggison Road here. They're looking for retail stores to go in this area, and then you can see the golf cart path. This road actually goes south until it hits the turnpike, and if you're traveling by golf cart, you can go across the turnpike into the DeLuna area, and it's the only road or only golf cart path currently that is connecting north and south of the Florida Turnpike. They do have the other bridge that's going to be going into place, which will be multimodal, golf cart and vehicle. But I'll be doing some updates about this area through the week, showing you different parts of Meggison, where it connects, what you're going to be looking at, like village-wise, and where the different housing developments are. And then we'll piece it all together at the end for you. Some good maps and things like that for you to look at, so you can see the whole shebanga. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I know it's short and quick, not much time on this one, but as always, we will see you in the next one.